Do you want to keep all your WhatsApp chats and data safe in case you are resetting your phone or reinstalling WhatsApp? Here are 2 easy ways to backup and restore WhatsApp messages on Samsung or Android phone, either by creating a local backup or a cloud backup. So let's open up WhatsApp, and from here, to back up all your chats, tap on the 3 dots from the top right, then open Settings and go to the Chats option. Now in this page, you'll find the Chat Backup option, so let's open it up. Now to create a local backup, you can just tap on Backup and all your data will be saved to your device. And this is useful in case you're deleting WhatsApp for some reason and you just want to keep the data. But in case you want to log in with your WhatsApp on a different phone, or maybe reset your phone, then you'll need to back it up on cloud or your Google storage. And for that, first of all, make sure you have selected the correct Google account, and then to back it up on cloud, you'll need to go to Automatic Backup and choose any of these options. So if you want to back up your WhatsApp data daily or weekly, just choose your appropriate option. And if you want to do it manually, then select Only when I tap Backup. So now if I tap on Backup, the local backup no longer shows, and it's uploading to your Google storage. Just make sure you have enough free space. So next time when you reinstall WhatsApp or install it on a different device, just log in with the same phone number or account, and then it will look for your cloud backup. And as you can see here, it has detected our cloud backup. So just press continue and let the backup finish. Now you'll just need to set your name and profile photo once again, and there you go. You have got all your chats, photos, videos, and messages intact. And that's how simple it is. Hope this video helped you out, and stay tuned for more.